Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out here with my friend Dennis, and we have a great product today from Hansshow, the Cybertruck running boards Gen 4. It looks wonderful on the truck, and we got it installed, or I should say Dennis got it installed, so I had a lot of help here. What do you think about it, Dennis?
Well, I did a great job installing it, and it looks really good.
We love this one. This one was a lot of fun. So we're going to show you how to do it. In the meantime, look in the description below and see how you can get some great discounts on this particular product and other great Tesla accessories. And we'll be back in just a moment. Hey everybody, and welcome back. So here we are with a kit from Hansshow for the running boards, and it just comes in a few different pieces. You got the main running board piece, which is here on the bottom. This is the one that you actually step on. The bracket that's actually going to hold it in, and the bolts that we're going to actually attach it all to. And it comes with a wrench for you to screw all of the screws into the truck. And that's pretty much it. So this is actually a pretty simple install. There's just a lot of screwing that we're going to do. And what you want to do beforehand is set up your screws just like this. And what it is, it's 3 pieces. Here's your screw, and each screw is going to have a locking washer, which you're going to put on just like that, just the small washer. Then you're going to have the big washer, which goes on top of the locking washer, just like that. So all of our screws are going to be set up the exact same way, and we're going to screw them into the bracket. Now, the bracket itself, the bracket is designed to go to the underside of the truck like this. The truck will be on this side, the running board will be over on this side. So these holes right here are going to screw into the truck. Now, if you're on the right side of the truck, you're going to want to use the hole on the left. So if you're looking at it, you want the hole on the left if you're screwing it into the right side of the truck. If you are screwing it into the left side of the truck, you got to use the right hole. So it's completely backwards, but that's the way they want you to install it. And then the running board's going to install on this part right here. So that's really about it. And like I said, there are about a dozen of these brackets we're going to attach. And you don't want to screw them in completely tightly at first. Just kind of get them in there just enough so that they hold into the holes and mount the running boards. And then we could go ahead and tighten everything down. So that's the plan. That's what we're going to do. So let's get to it.
Okay, so now I'm going to install to the left side of the bracket. Let's get this baby in. Okay, just something snug and done. Come down to the next one. Right side, left side, right side, left side of the hole. Oh, I did. One more. Yeah, I got one more.
Okay. Yeah, so each running board is marked for left and right. This is the left running board, as you can see, with the L on it. And the right one is going to have an R. It's that simple. And that's how you know which side to put it on. Because what we're going to do, we're going to attach each one of these screws through the brackets into these holes right here. And that's how it's all going to fit. All right, we can go ahead and get this thing up here just like this. And we'll line it up. Right there. There we go. All right. Each one of these things has 2 screws. Each bracket has 2 screws. So that one, give you that one. I'll go grab the other ones.
Okay.
Do it on this.
Okay, next one. There you go. Okay.
All right, so we got all the bolts into the running board over here. I don't know. I don't think that's going anywhere. What do you think, Dennis?
Oh, I don't know. I'm about to...
You know there's only one way to find out, right?
Let's give it a shot.
Hold up.
Oh,
Hold
yeah.
up. Hold up. I gotta get over here. Ah!
I think it works.
Yeah, I think it works too. I don't know how much weight it's supposed to hold, but there's at least 500 pounds here, somewhere in there. Yep.
Well, I think
I don't know.
I think it's holding up
400
really
pounds.
good.
Let's go with that. Sounds good.
Oh yeah, for sure. Looks good too.
Oop, got it all dusty and dirty already.
That's okay.
Darn. It's a truck.
It's a truck.
So, great looking running boards from Hansshow here. I gotta say, I'm very pleased with the way they look. The install on it is going very nicely. So we did the right side here. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the left, no different, except we gotta swap the holes around. That's about it. Swap the nuts around to the different holes, and we'll be done in just a few minutes. Wish us luck. Well, this was a great install. I gotta say, this was a lot of fun, and it went as planned. The instructions were very simple, and they were very accurate. Because, you know, if you ever watch a channel, you watch some of these install, you'll know that everything doesn't always go as planned, and the instructions are sometimes, well, how shall we say, lacking. So these were very good. And I particularly love the Cybertruck logo that's actually etched into the running boards. These things look like they're straight from Tesla OEM parts. And they're very sturdy. They're not like bending or falling apart or anything like that. So I highly recommend these. Pick up a set. I have a link below for you to get them with a great discount on these particular running boards and other great Tesla accessories. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And oh yeah, by the way, everybody keeps telling me this. We're just gonna beast out. So peace.